What's up, trader? Trading BG is back at it with the next trade recap. I hope you're doing well, so let's jump right in. In today's video, we talk about a trade or two trades I took in a normal US session, just as usual. And before the US Open at 3:30 p.m., we saw that the market comes up in a wave 5 move. You can see it right there, so 5 waves. And the up move ended right there in this area. In the wave 5 extension, it's like these three lines right there. After that, the market sold off in this big move right here. You can clearly see it move down. And what stood out to me was that it looked like the US session from the day before. Because if you look at this, it's nearly the same pattern. Sell-off, consolidation to the upside, and another big sell-off. And this is exactly, or not perfectly, but nearly the same as we got in that US session right here. So as I said before, after this breakdown, I've waited for a short for my confirmations to show, because we probably built the top right there and then we break down, so another cycle can start, another wave 5 cycle like this. And so I've waited for my confirmations to show up, and this took time all the way to this point right here. It's a bit after 7 p.m. So once the price broke through these two lines right here, this red line is the weekly VWAP and this blue line is the daily VWAP, I saw it retesting and it perfectly rejects from there. And this is where I took my entry, the first entry. And yeah, it was a really clean sniper entry because I was barely in the drawdown, like 5 seconds, not more. So the trade reacted right away, perfect. And afterwards, the trade moved nicely towards my first target, again by the three purple lines, and also touched the yellow line, which is the 5-day moving average. I thought about taking profit on there for the first position, but I felt it was too early. I had some feeling that the market could go even lower. And actually this happened. The price moved back up until my entry zone right there. Around 9 p.m. I decided to open a second short because it still looked great. The market was staying below the VWAPs. The open level, which is this green line right here, acted as support earlier than resistance, and the structure looked good for it. And I actually held both trades overnight, and during the night Trump made some announcement or some news came out and the market reacted strongly to it. Into the Asian session, the market opened with a huge gap down, as you can see right here. My target for both trades was the low, if we go to the hour chart real quick, the low that was created on 14th of April, which is obviously a key liquidity zone for the market. The market wants to go there, and the structure pointed to it, so it makes sense to me to aim there. And we have also another wave 5 extension that's created right here, which nearly goes to this low. So in the end, both trades worked out really well. The first trade gave me a 3.7x and the second one around 2.3x. So a total return of 6R. You can also see the screenshot with my background and profit. These two winning trades were on my personal account and I make around 3,000 euro off it. On top of that, I also passed phase 2 of the 200k funded challenge with Funded Next. All thanks to these trades. So overall, a very successful and profitable day. Also, as always, I had some more confirmations from my other two templates. If we go to the QQQ template, the ETF of the Nasdaq, we see my first entry was exactly here. And this was also where he breaks through the weekly VWAP, this red line, and retested it perfectly. So this was another confirmation for this trade. And for this trade there, I could not tell something about from the QQQ for the second trade. So I had no confirmations for these two beautiful trades. And if you liked the video and hopefully learned something, leave a comment, a like, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, turn on the notification bell. And very important, please join my free Discord server, because there you can learn more from me, see how I look for trades, enter and exit the positions. Thanks for watching and see you next time.